Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to export Google Sites. So this is my Google Sites web page here. So if I want to export it, then I just need to go to the drive. So you can just go to the Chrome browser and tap on this 9 dot button at the top right corner and go to your drive, like Google Drive. So I'm going to search for the drive here. Where it is, here it is now, Google Drive. Now you have to go to the drive, and here is my web page. Make sure that you have you know the web page name. Here it is, the website name. Here I have just set it for it. Now here it is, the website name here. So you just need to make a copy for any type, avoiding any type of hassle. So I'm just creating a copy. Here you can see the creating a copy has been created here. So file location, so you have to go to the file location. Here it is. Now from here you have to create a new folder here, like new folder, like Google site, Google site. I have just created. Now here it is, the folders here. Now you have to select the copy of that text here. So I'm going to select it from this one. Here it is. Now copy it is sorted by the alphabetical order. So here it is, the copy of my web page. Here I have to just cut it, and I just need to paste it to this folder. So I'm going to paste it to the file folder here. Now here you can see working, and it has just pasted that page from here, and I have just moved that to the Google Sites, Google Site folder. So I have just specified that that file or that web page in a folder. Now you have to go to the Google Takeout actually. So sorry for that, Google Takeout, and go to the Google Takeout, and here you have to sign into your account. Now from here you find all of those are selected for creating a backup, but we don't need to need all of this to create backup. So this Google Takeout is for creating your backup, all of your data about, or all of your data that are associated with your account. So you can just export a copy of content of in your Google account to back it up or use it with a service outside of Google. So but we just need to select the drive here. So search for the drive. We just need to export the data of the drive. Here I can just select the drive here. So tap on all data, this button here, all data included. So I'm going to deselect all of this and also deselect all of this. So I'm going to only select this Google site that I have just created, the file here, the Google site file. Now tap on Google site and the file that you have created. Now tap on OK, and then you just need to scroll all the way down and tap on next step here. Then from here you can just choose file type or frequency and destination, where you can just the destination, choose the destination, like you can go with send download link via email. You can add it to drive or add it to Dropbox or add to OneDrive or add to Box. You can go with the send download link via email or add to drive, just because of we can download any file from the drive easily by this download button here. So if you have download this data in your drive, then you can just download it, or that's when you can just export it easily. But I'm going with this send download link via email. So it is most easy and preferred way to export the data of your website. Now frequency, that export once, or you can go with the export every 2 months or for 1 year. Anything you can set it for. Now the file type and size, you can just select the file type. So .zip format is the most preferable, and the file size here you can see, you can just select the file size. So I'm going to get this default settings here. Now tap on create export. Now it is export in progress. Here you can see export is program. So Google is creating a copy of data from drive. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You will receive an email when your export is done. So whenever your export is done, you will get an email with a download button that you just need to click on the download button for once to export the data of your Google sites. So it's that much simple. You can just follow these steps perfectly from the very beginning to this step. Then you can just go to your email whenever you get that email that your data is exported, your data is ready to download. Then you can just tap on the download link and it will allow you to export your data to your device. So that's how you can just easily export your Google site data to your computer or your mobile devices. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.